Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cloud game in Scratch. Cloud games let your players interact with each other and save data online. Imagine a game where everyone sees the same high score list or where players can leave messages for others. This is all possible using Scratch's special cloud variables. We will explore how to set these up and use them to build engaging, shared experiences for your audience. To begin, you need to enable cloud variables in your Scratch project. First, ensure your account has new Scratcher status or higher. This feature is not available to brand new accounts. Then, simply create a new variable or right-click an existing one in the Variables palette. From the context menu, select the option Cloud Variable Stored on Server. Remember, these variables can only store numerical values, so plan your game logic accordingly. Now, let's build some game logic using your new cloud variables. A common use is a global high score system. You can compare a player's score to the current cloud high score and update it if the new score is greater. Another idea is a simple player counter, showing how many people are currently playing. For more advanced features, like a basic chat, you would need to devise a system to convert text into numerical codes and then back again. Testing is crucial for any cloud game. Have several friends test your project at the same time to ensure everything works as expected. Be mindful of Scratch's rate limit, allowing only 10 cloud variable updates per second across all users. Also, consider security. Implement checks to prevent players from submitting fake scores or spamming. With careful planning and testing, your cloud game can provide a fun, shared experience for many players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.